Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily check your software version on your KOBO Elipsa 2E. So first, what you guys need to do is you need to go to settings, and here we need to go to the device information. Now it should be in the software details. As you guys can see, the software version for me is 4.38.23.171. So let me go back here and show you guys. As you guys can see, now here we have everything. This is the last update, and here we can also check for updates. So that's basically it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.